Joseph from Muskego, Wisconsin, has a question about a sunken living room.
He has this sunken living room right here.
Love the carpet.
And
the grate in the floor. That means it's a crawl space.
I mean, yeah.
I like it.
Or maybe even that room under house.
Or basement. Sorry. Yes,
right.
yes,
okay.
yes.
So Joseph writes to us. He says, it's 2 steps down to the room, and I'd like to bring the room level with the rest of the house. So he wants your advice. How does he do that?
You're going to just do a wood frame platform. So however high you need to go with the thickness of the finished floor so it matches the rest. In this case, in Texas, if you had it in a slab, I would tell you you'd fill it with concrete. But when it's raised like that, no, don't do that here. And you're going to raise that ductwork up and do everything you need to do where your basement is underneath. But just build a wooden platform and just make it all level. And then whether you carpet or tile, whatever you're going to do, just make sure it's level. It'll be fine.
What about the details like outlets in the wall? Those are going to suddenly be very low, aren't
Those
they?
might not be in existence.
Right.
So all that stuff has to go up. You have your baseboards, your outlets, even maybe your light switches, because if you have light switches low, they're going to be in a weird position too. And of course, you can see he's got his heater system. Right. That's that duct in the floor, and that's very common in northern parts of the country. And all that's going to have to be extended up.
All your registers are going to have to move up.
Yeah, everything is just. But the sunken living room really was a fad that is kind of dangerous. It's not a great way to go.
It went out with water beds.
And it also limits the room, in the space you can use, because you're either down or you're up. You can't use the whole room. And that's what a real problem was, is you walk around this sunken area, but you have to put your furniture down in it.
You don't want to be down. Be up.
Well, I like to be up.
You be up to date with answers to your home improvement questions, too. Just send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form, and we'll answer it just like these videos over here.